runs on fully electric. So yun po yung talagang charge. These EVs usually have a charging time of 8 to 10 hours for optimal charging. If you wanted to get full charge, 8 to 10 hours charging bago po siya makatakbo. Normally, a full charge EV will give you at least 400 kilometers. So don't forget that a full charge EV will give you 400 kilometer distance na matatakbo. Versus a hybrid. A hybrid is a self-charging electric vehicle. Hybrid kasi po, it runs on two systems. Meron po siyang internal combustion engine and it also has an electric motor. Compared to EV, hindi po kayo kailangan mag-worry ng charging because it charges on its own. Diga po? While decelerating, while braking, the regenerative braking, nag-charge po yung batteries natin. So that's one great advantage. Now, what is PEV? PEV are plug-in electric vehicle na hybrid. So in other countries, they have that kind of option. Pwede ka pong magkarga ng gasolina and mag-charge para po sa longer na distance. But here, in the Philippines, we don't have the PEV yet sa Toyota. Meron po kasing disadvantage yun. Unang-una, we don't have a lot of charging stations yet. Pangalawa, yun po bang EV tsaka PEV, will it match your lifestyle? Paano kung nakatira ka sa condo? Can you install charging cables in your parking ng condo? Hindi po. So, hindi pa po siya para sa lahat. Versus our HEV vehicle, it's just like owning a regular car. Walang mababago how you treat your car. Walang mababago how you maintain your car. Mas marami lang po siyang binibigay na benefits.
Sir Andrew, wala si HEV na range anxiety.
Walang range anxiety. Yes, exactly. So hindi mo kailangan isipin, no? Pupunta akong Baguio. So pagpunta akong Baguio, I need to stop sa La Union muna because I need to charge 4 hours. Then after that, punta akong Baguio, pagdating ko ng Baguio, mag-charge ulit ako. Bababa ako ng Manila, then I need to stay somewhere in Pampanga to look for a charging station bago ako makakabalik ng Alabang. Imagine, di ba po? Imagine kung gaano kalaking oras yung kinakain for charging. Kahit pa fast charger po yan. 20 minutes, 30 minutes, versus 2 minutes when you refill your gasoline, malaki po yung difference.
Thank you very much.